Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a video with an Instagram slide transition on CapCut. So for this edit, you need to prepare at least 2 photos like this. And then you also need to go to the person's Instagram account that you want to make its video and just a screenshot a random photo of their post. And you need to make sure that it's include the like and also the comment button. Okay, so just start by making the first photo into 1 second long, and then the second photo 2 seconds like this. And after that, click on the first photo, go to animation, combo, and then select the train 1 animation. Okay, this one. And for the second photo, select the train 2. Okay, after that, just export the project. Okay, now go back, click on done, and start a new project with the video that you just saved. Okay, like this. Okay, you need to zoom it out, so click on the clip and zoom out like this, and go to where the animation of the second photo ends. Okay, in here, then split the clip and delete the rest of it. Okay, so it will go like this. And now go to overlay and add the Instagram. Okay, so add the Instagram screenshot. Now you can resize the picture and go to crop. Okay, click on edit, go to crop, and crop it to where the username bar is. So just crop it like this. Okay, so you need to crop it like this so that only the username appear, and you can just fit the size and put it on top of your clip like this. Okay, after you move it at the top like this, you need to go to overlay again and add the same photo like this and crop. Now crop to where the like and comment button is. Okay, so it will become like this, then you can just drag it to the bottom, and now adjust the length, and in here is the result. So you are basically done, but you can always change its background into your favorite color by going to canvas, click on background, and here you can just select whatever background. Okay, just choose the background that you want in here. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.